Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this review of day trading for a Thursday on the 26th. Well, let's take a look at what we did. Kind of a struggle today. You can see we were in this counter trend, and we were out for 1 point. Then we got in a scale, but we're only in one contract, 1/3 of the three positions we were in, so that didn't get us back to square one. Right after we got into another scale, and that was break even. Then later in the afternoon, let's take a little trip further on. We were in right here for a counter trend divergence trade at 21 3/4. We got in right here, got out, got our point, and we were done with this trade even though it was in that big uptrend. So those were the some of the trades. Now let me flip to the other chart. Hang on a second. Okay. Uncle Mike had a computer glitch this morning. I wasn't in, so missed calling this one and this one in the morning. Though some of those people in the room that have the charts, they were able to take them. But obviously it's not on my official record for the day. Of course, I was logging in and rebuilding all the charts. This one showed up, and we took a 2-point loss on this. Right here we were out, and that was my fault. I didn't have all my charts built, probably shouldn't have taken it, but we were right at support. But that's what happens sometime in trading. You can't win them all, and this was one of them. We took the correct signal, and we were just stopped out. Then we went on before lunch. We were able to get another one of these for 1 point. Took a little break, 11:30 for lunch. Uncle Mike came back a little bit early, and lo and behold, we were able to grab this during right at lunchtime, 12:45 time period. Able to grab that for a point, and then unfortunately sat around and waited and waited. We came into here. We didn't take this. This was into some resistance, some support. I'm sorry. We weren't able to grab that. This one ran away from us. We were able to get into this trade here, and made it in. Got 1 point in two, and actually that was 2:30. That was the last trade of the day. This trade right here, we were just looking at a counter trend divergence trade at the time. We weren't able to get into this. This would have gotten us out 1 point, but it was not called and we were not in. So just taking a look and a recap of what we did today, it was 5 and 2, trading 3 contracts. One would have a gross of $350 today, and those trading 1 or 2 contracts, net points, they would have had 2 points today. So we're ending up the month pretty good. We're at 82 points so far. We got a couple more days trading, so we'll see how it goes. And Uncle Mike will see you tomorrow evening for a recap of Friday's trading. Thanks and have a great night.